Time to rhyme. Think of a word that sounds the same as the given word. You'll get it right. I know. Try it. Cat. Hot. Tin. Tub. Stink. Well done. Did your teacher help you? Let's draw a cat with a big roar. You are bound to go round. Jibs! Make an ellipse. Draw a mouth south. Ding! Dong! Ging! Gong! Beep! Boop! Wangle the triangle. 3 sides to glide. 3 types of stripes. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub your ears. Chop chop. Now you can stop. Give it a go 3 times in a row. You know that when you take the T sound and combine it with the H, you will get the Th sound. Can you see the cat sleeping? Shh, you must be very soft. The soft Th. Stick out your tongue. Sometimes cats can be very loud. Then it is the sound. Let's read some words. The loud or the hard the, that, there, and the soft tooth, thin, with. Time to rhyme. Rhyme activities. You will need any container and some bean bags. You can also use balls of newspaper that you've rolled up. Can you see the cat in my container? I'm sure there won't be any cat in yours. It's just for fun. Let's read the words. Bath, birth, myth, cloth, wonder. Look at the word and find the word that rhymes with it. With. Could it be myth? Good job. Throw your bean back. Bath. Sounds like bath. Fantastic. Thunder. Wonder. You are doing a very good job. Earth. Sounds like birth. Moth. find the word? Cloth. That was easy. Let's try a couple of more rhyme words. Read the words with me. Met, hen, miss, say, hem. Then, can you find the correct rhyme word? Hen. Easy. Throw your beanbag. Them. Hem. I think you are getting very clever at rhyme words. This. Miss. I hope you didn't miss your beanbag. That. Met. Great. Last one. They. Say. You are getting so clever. Let's try 5 more words. Can you hear the difference between the soft th and loud th? Read the words. Bank, care, ink, booth, numb. Think. Find the word. Ink. Well done. Thumb. Numb. Tooth sounds like booth, ends with a soft th. Did you hear that? Thank. Bank. Throw your beanbag. This is the last word. There sounds like care. Let's put some words into sentences to make a fun rhyme. Ready? Read with me. There is a black cat. The black cat hunts for a rat. There is something running across the road. Was it a rat? Or maybe a toad?
Rabbit, rabbit, quack.
I had the whole bunch. That was a very nice lunch.
Rabbit, rabbit, quack.
I think the white cat is very proud. He wants to jump on top of the 9th cloud. There is no cloud, only an old green bus. I don't know why the black cat is making such a fuss. Are you ready to read the rhyme again? Here we go. There is a black cat. The black cat hunts for a rat. There is something running across the road. Was it a rat? Or maybe a toad? I had the whole bunch. That was a very nice lunch. think the white cat is very proud. He wants to jump on top of the 9th cloud. There is no cloud, only an old green bus. I don't know why the black cat is making such a fuss. You will be able to read with speed, and you will be able to rhyme at any time.